So I got a Brother 8900 CDW brought in with a service call. It said print unable 0A. Looking at Brother's website and any of the service documentation that I could find, which wasn't much, it says to see if anything's blocking the right side of the machine. So I pulled off the right side here, and obviously after it was brought in and I plugged it in, nothing was blocking that. But I noticed pretty quickly that this top fan here was not spinning properly. It's almost as if something was stuck in there. What exactly was stuck in there, I have no clue. I wasn't able to find anything, but honestly, just pulling it out and putting it back in, now it can spin freely. And the bottom one spun freely the whole time. Then after just adjusting this right here for this fan, that error is completely gone. It seems to be working perfectly fine. So since he brought it in here, I'm gonna blow it out because it's pretty dusty inside here, and clean it up and put it back together and give it back to him. All right, it's all finished, looks good. Wiped it down a little bit. If you're curious how to get the right side panel off in the first place, you remove the paper tray, then you come around back. And I removed this rear door, but I don't believe that you have to. These little black things just pop up like that. And then down here, you just pull this to the side and it comes out. And then other than that, there's two screws in the back here. This one right here, and then this one. And then up front, with the front door open, there's one screw right there. And then with the paper tray, there's a kind of one that's hiding down there. And then other than that, this part snaps right here. There's two snaps underneath. I like to hang the printer just off the edge of a table or wherever I'm working on it, and then kind of get my hand under there and just unsnap them. And then also in the back, it snaps on right here too. So you need to, after you take out that screw, you'll have to pull out the snap as well.